today we're going to be making raspberry, strawberry, banana smoothie with a straw, pink straw, and a strawberry on the side of the cup, and some whipped cream. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add your ingredients. So some raspberries and some strawberries and I can just leave it there. Now our banana. One big piece of banana. How about just like hold it and it could just like dump it in. Okay. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. And 3 ice cubes. And if your mouth's not licking, you could add a little bit of ice cream. They're gonna want to blend it all up. Let's go blend it. Okay, now we're gonna blend it until it's all smooth.